I pray you trust the delay. I pray you trust the process. I pray you look back one day and say, thank God I didn't give up when I almost did. I pray you get everything you ever wanted and peace that money can't buy. I pray God shows up so loud in your life you can't even question why. I pray everything sent to break you turns into purpose inside you. I pray your name get called, your seasons stay, and no matter where life takes you, I pray